Which car would you like to buy? An internal combustion car or an electric car? The electric car market is growing rapidly as the world has turned their attention to electric vehicles in recent years. Tesla, which focused on developing electric vehicles early on, is receiving a higher evaluation than before. By the way, why has interest in electric vehicles increased in recent years? To know why, first we must discuss the issue of global warming. To prevent the Earth's temperature from rising by 1.5 degrees or more, we must reach a carbon-neutral state globally by 2050, according to the Global Warming 1.5 degrees Celsius Special Report. As the report was executed, the purchase of internal combustion vehicles decreased, and the purchase of electric vehicles increased, changing the global automobile market. As global warming progressed, so did pandemics. We felt the seriousness of the situation. We began thinking we need to be prepared for the dangers of climate change in the future. The best way to prevent the Earth's temperature from rising rapidly was to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. We could see from the share of GHG emissions that GHG emissions from transportation were far from small. If we can reduce greenhouse gases from internal combustion engine vehicles that fill the roads, we could slow down global warming. That's why we made electric cars that are driven by motors, not engines. However, there was a problem we hadn't considered. While electric vehicles don't emit greenhouse gases directly, huge amounts of greenhouse gases are still emitted to generate the electricity that drives electric vehicles. In response, newly designed electric vehicles, powered by solar energy instead of fossil fuels, were invented. The era of true carbon neutrality has arrived. With the rise of electric vehicles, Volkswagen has also announced plans to release 50 pure electric vehicles by 2025, halt development of internal combustion engines by 2026, and discontinue production and sales of internal combustion engines by 2040. Toyota, Changan, Peugeot, and Hyundai are also focusing on electric vehicles instead of internal combustion vehicles. As many countries around the world have declared a ban on ICE vehicles, electric vehicles will become a necessity, not an option. The effects of the climate crisis on Earth and our life are definitely approaching closer. What new business models should we envision to respond to climate change? We will learn more about that next time.